Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and it is day 2 of 12 days of Christmas, and we are going to do something fun with these white Dollar Tree Christmas trees. Welcome to Fixin 2. Today, guys, I have something super fun for you, super cute, wonderful Christmas decor, and this can be something for your home if you're going with a Santa Claus theme, or maybe for your child's room, or even your office, anywhere. These little trees are so awesome, and I think that this is going to be one of the cutest things that we'll do during the 12 days of Christmas. So of course, like I said before, we're going to use 2 of these white Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I'd found this cute little bucket right here at the Dollar Tree, of course. We've got some Dollar Tree ornaments, this cute little headband, but might do something a little bit different with this. We're going to use some ribbons and of course some floral foam. So let's get started. Of course, the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the Christmas trees out. We're not going to be using the little legs that come with them. We are also not going to be using this here in the bottom, so we're going to just pull those off. Those are really simple to come off. And so now we're left with just the 2 trees on the little iron sticks. And what we're going to do is basically we're going to spread these out and kind of down, and kind of pushing them to one side, just like this, pushing them all on one side. As you see, it's kind of flat on one side and kind of full and bushy on the other. So let's do the other one. Now that we have them spread out, pushed down, and of course to one side, we're going to take them and we're going to go flat side to flat side. And what I want to do is, because I want these to stay together, I'm going to take some zip ties. Now these came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the larger of the ones, and there's 3 different sizes. There's tiny, medium, and large size. I'm going to use 2 or 3, we'll see how it does, of the larger size that's in this pack, and kind of put them together. So now I'm going to kind of fluff my tree and make it look good and full, and then we'll be getting it ready to move to the next step. And we're going to bring in our little bucket here, and of course our floral foam. We're going to take and we're just going to press that all the way down in there. All right, and so then of course we'll take our 2 sticks, pipes, whatever you want to call the centers of these, and we're going to make sure that they go on either side of the line there. And we're just going to push them in. And I want it to kind of cascade over the bucket. And there you go. Can y'all see where I'm going with this yet? You guys can see that I am making a Santa Claus tree. And so we're going to take some red little satin ribbon. I've had this for a long time. It was probably bought it from Hobby Lobby, and it was $3.99. Bought it. I never buy ribbon or anything from Hobby Lobby full price, always half price. So I probably paid about $2 for this. And what we want to do, it's just satin ribbon. It doesn't have the wire on it, but we want to kind of measure around the center of our tree. And this is for his belt. think that's going to be fine about right there. We want to make sure that on your ribbon, that when you glue this and overlap, you want to make it super even, because we are going to also make a buckle for his belt out of ribbon. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to put some glue here. All right, so now we can pull it back. All right, and so this is the real pretty gold ribbon, and what we're going to do is we are going to make the cutest little buckle out of our ribbon. So then we're going to measure out 4 pieces at 2 inches. And we are going to glue it to the front of our ribbon. Now, every Santa has a hat, right? So this, of course, came from the Dollar Tree. And let's see about pulling this off. We're going to pull off the headband. And I'm also going to cut it open right here, just it's got some stuffing in it. So let's cut that open. I think I'm going to leave the stuffing in there and just kind of make a hole down in there with my fingers, just like this. And then we are going to stick him on the top. Make sure he's on there good, and we can glue him. And now, doesn't quite look like a Santa to me just yet. I think he needs some red for his little outfit. So that is why we got some red ornaments. So let's put on some red ornaments, and I know he's going to turn out super cute. So how stinking cute did this turn out? I am so excited about this little Santa tree. And this is probably going to go to work and sit on my desk because I just absolutely love it. So guys, I know that this is something so simple with just a few Dollar Tree items. It basically costs, let's see, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. $5 to make this tree, and I think that that is a $5 well spent. So guys, if this is the first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here, and continue to stay tuned because we have more fun Dollar Tree items and projects coming in the rest of the 12 days of Christmas. Make sure that you're subscribed and you've hit the notification bell, because doing that, you'll be notified each time I upload new videos. And I am having such fun doing these projects with you. So make sure that you also, I'll link it in the iCards above. It was my Christmas shopping haul where I picked up a lot of the items that I will be using for these different projects. Didn't really tell you exactly what's going to be used for what. I tried my best to say, hey, this is going to be used in a project, but at least you can kind of have an idea of some of the things that I'm going to be using. So you guys can stay tuned because I have got, like I said, fun stuff coming. Love Christmas, and I am so glad that I'm able to spend it with you. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and keep looking up because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.